What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. Today we're up early. It's like 9 in the morning, which is early for me. Not that early, but we're up pretty early, earlier than usual. But that means that today is gonna be a very long day. So today there's this huge car event going down in San Diego called Big SoCal Euro. I've been to the show probably one time when my car was black. Probably like 3 years ago I went to this car show. So this year I decided to go again. We got a couple homies going. We got Alex with the GTR and the R8. He brought the R8 out today. And we're also meeting up with Kevin with the Lime Rock BMW. Jason with the blue one with the supercharger. Freshhkiicks is going with the red R8. A lot of you guys have been wanting us to collab. So this is kind of a little bit of a collab because we're gonna be cruising together over there. So we're meeting up with a couple homies that you guys always see in the vlogs. It should be a really cool day. I got all the cameras out. We got the big camera, we got the GoPro, and we got the vlog camera. So we got all the cameras out. That means we're gonna have a really big film day. It should be a really cool vlog. But like always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already. Please hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 100K. We're almost there. What's up, bro? Is this the one? Yeah. Hey. I'm back right now. Alright. There's so many caravans going to San Diego, but we decided to join this one. Let's see how many cars are here. Hey. What's up, bro? Dude, there's hella cars. Woo. That shit's sick. So yep, all Audis and BMWs. Dude, look at this thing that pulled up. All over Joseph, bro. God damn, dude, that diffuser is insane. This shit looks badass, dude. I think it's one of my favorite looking ones. I don't know why. I just like the stance of it for some reason. We got all the red cars right here. The 2 red M3s. Paint versus wrap. I'm the fake. That thing is sick. It's literally 9 in the morning and it's 100 degrees probably already. It's so hot outside. Kevin, and we got Jason. Sick ass Kevin. Kevin, I'm not gonna lie, your car actually looks sick. Even though I always mess with him. I just wish you had bags, bro. That's it. You're out, fool. Push the buttons.
My bags don't work right now.
Put the buttons at. And Jason. I love Jason's car. You guys know that.
Got baller wheels.
Bro, this fool got baller seats, baller wheels, baller brakes, baller shoes. What's up, Jason?
I don't know.
Alright, guys, we're out. We got the whole crew. There's gonna be so many people, dude. Damn. This shit's literally perfect, bro. And it has to be red, my favorite color. I got some! And right now on the freeway? Oh my god. Shit! Dude, that thing is so clean. Diego Stadium? Qualcomm Stadium? I don't know. But that was an insane cruise. So many cars. We made it. I don't know where we're gonna park, but look how many freaking cars there are. Holy shit.
Hey fellas.
How's it going?
Whoa. My bad.
936 is clean. I like the diffuser. Upscale over here washing the whips. I don't think I'm gonna wash mine though, because it's already gonna get dirty again. Oh shit. All the cars, bro. Look at that. That's sick. Ooh, I just found my favorite car in the whole lot. Dude, that shit is beautiful. Probably the only GTR here at a Euro event. That shit's mean. What's up, bro? Dude, there's so many people here. I'm gonna show you guys a life hack of car meets. Just drive up and down the alleys and you can see all the cars in air conditioning. Instead of walking through all this, I can just drive through and look. This is how far we had to park. Way over here. This shit is packed, bro. I thought we were kind of early, but I guess not. Got the whole lineup of Porsches.
This one?
Bro, I had one just like this, guys. Well, my dad had one. Just like this. Red and everything. And he sold it, but I kind of wish he kept it because I probably would have done stuff to it. I probably would have kept it like that, just bagged on BBS or something. I'm not that big of a fan of McLaren's, but I like the 720S's.
You like the orange?
Bro, nah, he picked the wrong color. I'm sorry, Kevin. That food needs a, I don't know. This one's fire, bro. This is probably the Audi I would buy if I got one. The RS7, I think it is. Yep. I think it's supercharged too. God damn, dude. Look at this Lambo. Fully tracked out. Bro, this fool got a roll cage in a Lambo, bro. Oh shit. That shit is badass.
Yeah, look at it.
God damn, dude. Bro, this thing's beautiful. Holy shit.
I actually saw this car like last year. Yeah, no, not
I think this guy also owns the E92 M3, Liberty Walk, wide body M3. This is his Porsche. Oh, I found the throttle boost. All the homies over here. Damn.
Nick, I was about to hit you
I made it, dude.
next week because you need to shoot this
Bro,
car.
I
and your
seen it.
car.
I haven't got to see it yet. And it's red.
Oh, it's red.
That's so sick. Look, they're giving it away, guys. My twin, Evan's E36.
MF10.
What's up, dog?
What's up, Mickey? How are you? I'm good. Yeah, it's way over there. Dude, I'm obsessed with Evan's car. This is like my goal, to have my E36 look like this. Damn, the new Sparko seats. This shit's so nice, dude. Makes me miss mine. I literally haven't driven mine in so long. I don't think I've ever seen a Liberty Walk M4 in my life. Yeah, those wheels are freaking perfect, dude. This is literally the exact way I want to build for my E92. Airlift performance. I should have been in this booth, bro. That Subi is freaking crazy. Guys, I just found the car that I legit came here for. I drove all this way just to see this thing. Literally. Oh my god, bro. I wanted to see this thing so bad. That shit is so bright. I'm legit going blind. Damn, Jason.
Yeah, you're matching.
Bro, this thing is so hard, and it's on BBS wheels. Must be nice, bro. 1,000 horsepower too.
As long as you're at least deep.
Everyone's all squinting. Dude, you can't look at it. Guys, what if I did this color on the E92? It's like a matte lime green too. I think I'm down, guys. I think I might switch it up. I'm probably gonna get pulled over a lot, but I want to do it. Comment down below right now and help me out, because I'm down. I'm for real down. Poor dog, he's probably so hot. Guys, I hate when people bring dogs to car meets. It's too hot for him, bro. So sick. I love that color too. That's another option for the next wrap. It's like a Nardo gray or something. Except I think that's painted. Baller. Yeah, someone's about to go on the dyno. I think it's the M5. I want to hear that thing. That thing sounds sick.
520, bro.
520? It's not bad.
Not bad for breakfast.
Alex's GTR makes like an extra 100, so we chilling, bro. We eat like the GTR is mine too. This is probably one of my favorite E92s. Super clean. It is clean, bro. That's a badass color, bro. Signal green or something?
Nick 5.0.
Oh my god, dude. That's crazy. I actually thought about doing the E46 in Tiffany. Now I get an idea of how it look. Will this be the wrap for the E46? I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I bring it back on the E46? I had to come look at this E36. That shit's hard. I think we're out. We're here for a good like 2 hours maybe. Checking out all the cars over there. It's just way too hot, dude. Like we need to do some air conditioning. There's no shade here.
Let's all go in your car and turn AC.
Yeah. Bro, at 3:35 or whatever is pretty quick. I'm about to go have a little photo shoot or something since we're down in San Diego. Might as well make a little trip and have some photos on the beach or something. It just sounds like a gun or something. That shit's crazy. God damn, bro. That's that purple M3 is on E85. And he's trying to race all of us. And that is gonna be the end of the video. I just got home. I don't know if you guys can see the E36 or not, but the E36 is right there. But I think I'm gonna end the video right there. It's been such a long day. I'm so freaking tired. After the event, we went to go eat, and then we went to have a little photo shoot, and then we went to go eat again a second time with Kevin and a bunch of other BMWs that you guys saw. Very long day, a lot of driving. Literally went through a whole tank of gas, plus half a tank today. Oh, so much money, so much gas. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. A lot of editing because I have like 3 cameras full of footage. So please smash the like button for me. Subscribe to your boy if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bruh, look what I just found out when I got out the car. I knew I heard something. Oh my gosh. When I was on the freeway, I heard something hit. And I forgot about it until right now when I got off the car. Well, there goes this slip. Oh my god, dude. Rest in peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25, I'm thanking God for living.